Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok following others too frequently problem. Now, the first thing that you should do is to go and open TikTok application on your phone, and once you open it, you'll have to click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now, once you click on it, you should now click on the top right corner on this three horizontal lines. Once you click on it, go and click on settings and privacy, and here you will have all of these options. You should scroll down till you find here report a problem, tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will show you this page. Now we'll have to tap on interaction, then click on follow. Now we should choose the second option, following too fast. You should read this sentence right here. You are following accounts too quickly. Try again later. Please try again in 24 hours. This actually didn't solve my problem, so I'm going to click on no, then click on need more help. It will jump you directly to the support, to TikTok help desk. You can now chat with them and tell them exactly what problem you are facing, and they will solve your problem as soon as possible. And this is how easy it is. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.